If you are over 60 and your legs feel weaker, I'm here to tell you that it is not just old age. It's a specific condition, and for millions, it's being accelerated by simple, avoidable mistakes you might be making every day. Does this sound familiar? You feel unsteady on your feet. You worry about a fall. That weakness you feel is called sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass, and it's the real reason your balance and independence are quietly slipping away. You've been told to just walk more, but walking alone doesn't fix the root cause. Your body is fighting 3 hidden enemies: anabolic resistance, where your muscles ignore the signal to grow, chronic inflammation, and poor circulation that starves your legs of oxygen and nutrients. But the good news is we can fight back. We are going to target these 3 enemies directly using 5 foundational foods. These aren't exotic superfoods, but simple items that rebuild leg strength from the ground up. Before we dive in, if you are serious about rebuilding your strength and protecting your independence in a science-backed way, take just 1 second to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss our latest videos from Senior Evercare. First on our list is the humble sweet potato. Many seniors avoid this, fearing it's too starchy, but this is a critical mistake. Think of your muscles like rechargeable batteries. To be strong, they must be charged. Sweet potatoes are the perfect charger. They provide the complex carbohydrates your body needs to stock its muscle energy reserves, known as glycogen. This glycogen is the direct fuel your legs need to move, recover, and grow stronger. Let's look at the science. A single medium sweet potato provides around 26 grams of high-quality complex carbohydrates. This isn't empty sugar. This is the primary fuel your body uses to replenish those crucial glycogen stores we just talked about. But the real magic for leg strength comes from its micronutrients. First, potassium. A single tuber can pack a massive 94 milligrams of potassium. Potassium is the electrolyte that is absolutely essential for regulating normal muscle contraction. Without enough of it, your muscles simply cannot fire correctly. Second, vitamin C. We often think of vitamin C for colds, but for seniors, it's critical for muscle repair. Your body needs vitamin C to synthesize collagen. Collagen is the essential protein that literally holds your muscle tissue together, repairing it and preventing further breakdown. Finally, sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This powerful antioxidant supports cell regeneration and bolsters your immune system, creating the perfect healing environment for your muscles. You also get a fantastic 8 grams of fiber per cup, which supports healthy digestion. Second on our list is canned tuna. Now, you may know it as a convenient source of protein, but I want you to start thinking of it as your primary anti-inflammatory warrior. This is not just food. It's a direct weapon against the chronic, low-grade inflammation that is actively preventing your muscles from healing and growing. This inflammation is a key reason your legs feel weak, and canned tuna is one of the best and cheapest ways to fight it. Here's the scientific breakdown. Canned tuna is packed with 2 specific types of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These are not just good fats. They are potent anti-inflammatory compounds that directly target one of the root causes of your leg weakness. Here is exactly how they work. Your body is currently experiencing chronic, low-grade inflammation. This inflammation is driven by signals like TNF-alpha and IL-6. The omega-3s in tuna work by inhibiting the body's main inflammatory pathway, known as NF-κB. By calming this pathway, you reduce the levels of those inflammatory markers, effectively putting out the fire in your muscles so they can finally heal. But omega-3s do something else incredible. They directly combat anabolic resistance. One study on older adults found that taking 3.9 grams of omega-3s per day significantly improved their anabolic response to food. This means their muscles became more sensitive to protein, making them far more efficient at building new muscle tissue from the food they ate. Another landmark 6-month study found that seniors taking 1.86 grams of EPA and 1.5 grams of DHA per day saw significant improvements in hand grip strength and maximum muscle power. The results were so profound, researchers concluded it was equivalent to preventing 2 to 3 years of age-related muscle loss. And of course, a single serving provides around 25 grams of high-quality, easily digestible protein to serve as the building blocks. Our third food is the egg. And I call this the golden key of muscle building. For years, seniors were told to fear eggs because of cholesterol, but for muscle health, this was terrible advice. The egg isn't just a building block, it's the signal that tells your body to start building. It holds the specific amino acid that directly overcomes the #1 obstacle holding seniors back: anabolic resistance. This food is the activator. Here is the science. Your muscles have become deaf to the signal to build. This is anabolic resistance. To overcome this, you need a specific activator, and that activator is an amino acid called leucine. Think of your muscle-building factory as having a master switch. That switch is called mTORC1. Leucine is the primary amino acid that can flip that switch to on and command your body to start the process of building new muscle protein. Here is the problem for seniors. As we age, that switch gets rusty. It becomes harder to flip. This is called the leucine threshold. You now need a much higher dose of leucine. Studies show you may need 2 to 3 times more circulating in your blood just to get that factory to turn on. This is why eggs are so critical. Eggs are one of the richest and most bioavailable sources of leucine. When you eat eggs, you are sending that powerful, concentrated signal that finally overcomes the resistance and shouts, "Build!" at your muscles. Research shows that simply increasing the leucine content of a meal can reverse the age-related decline in muscle protein synthesis. The scientific target is about 3 grams of leucine with each main meal to keep that signal strong all day long. On top of that, each egg provides over 6 grams of perfect 100 rated protein and is one of the few food sources of vitamin D, which is also vital for muscle strength and balance. Our fourth food is black beans. This is our foundational mineral source. While we often focus on protein, your muscles cannot function correctly without the minerals that support their basic operations. Black beans provide a fantastic plant-based protein, but more importantly, they deliver the critical minerals, especially magnesium, that are involved in over 800 biochemical reactions in your body, including energy production and muscle contraction. Let's look at the science. First, a single cup of cooked black beans provides about 15 grams of high-quality plant-based protein. But the real power for seniors lies in its mineral content. Black beans are a powerhouse of magnesium. Think of magnesium as the spark plug for your muscles. It is directly involved in over 800 biochemical reactions in your body, including protein synthesis, energy production, and, most importantly, muscle contraction. Magnesium deficiency is directly linked to increased frailty in seniors. In fact, one study showed that for every 100 milligram increase in daily magnesium, the risk of frailty in older men dropped by 22%. Black beans are also loaded with minerals like iron, phosphorus, calcium, and zinc, which are all essential for building and maintaining strong bone structure and joint elasticity. Finally, they contain powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins and quercetin, which help reduce the oxidative stress and inflammation that break down muscle tissue. And the high fiber content, both soluble and insoluble, is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system, ensuring you can actually absorb all these vital nutrients. Our fifth and final food is perhaps the most powerful on this list: beef liver. I call this the recovery superfood. For decades, this food was forgotten, but it is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It directly combats the deep fatigue and weakness caused by poor blood health and oxygen delivery, which is a primary accelerator of muscle loss in many seniors. Here is the science. The primary reason many seniors feel weak is not just muscle loss, but anemia and poor oxygen delivery. Your muscles need oxygen to function, and oxygen is transported by hemoglobin, which requires iron. Beef liver is the single best food to solve this. First, vitamin B12. A small 85-gram serving of beef liver contains a massive 59 micrograms of vitamin B12. That is over 24 times your daily need. B12 is essential for keeping your blood cells healthy, supporting nerve function, and producing energy. Second, hemi-iron. The 4 milligrams of iron in that serving is heme iron. This is the most absorbable form of iron, far superior to the non-heme iron from plants. This iron directly builds your hemoglobin, which carries vital oxygen to your leg muscles, fighting the fatigue and weakness caused by anemia. Finally, it provides 17 grams of high-quality protein and is a rich source of vitamin A for vision, zinc for immunity, and Q10 for energy production. Now, let's put this all together. These 5 foods are not just a random list. They are a strategic system designed to attack the root causes of muscle loss. You can't just eat one. Here is how they work together. First, you activate the build signal. The leucine from the eggs flips the master mTORC1 switch, overcoming your body's anabolic resistance. Second, you provide the building blocks. Once the switch is on, the high-quality proteins from the tuna, eggs, beef liver, and black beans provide the full spectrum of amino acids needed to build new muscle tissue. Third, you create a healing environment. The omega-3s from the tuna directly lower the chronic inflammation markers, like TNF-alpha and IL-6, that are breaking your muscle down. The antioxidants from the sweet potatoes and black beans then clean up the oxidative stress. Finally, you fuel the entire process. The hemi-iron and B12 from the beef liver build your blood and deliver oxygen. The potassium from the sweet potatoes ensures your muscles can contract properly, and the magnesium from the black beans helps your mitochondria create the cellular energy, ATP, to power it all. This combination creates the perfect anabolic, anti-inflammatory, and oxygen-rich environment for muscle regeneration. Now, to make this work, you must follow 2 critical principles. The first is the most important secret in this entire video: protein distribution. It's not just how much protein you eat, but when you eat it. Most seniors get this wrong. They have a small, low-protein breakfast, maybe toast or oatmeal, a light lunch, and then a huge protein meal at dinner. This is a mistake. Scientific research is clear. To optimize muscle building, you must distribute your protein evenly throughout the day. The target number is 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at breakfast, 25 to 30 grams at lunch, and 25 to 30 grams at dinner. This even distribution is over 25% more effective at stimulating muscle synthesis than backloading all your protein at dinner. It keeps that mTORC1 switch turned on all day long. Your total daily goal should be 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. Here is the second principle: practical application. Let's make this simple. Breakfast, aim for 2-3 eggs scrambled, perhaps with a side of black beans. Lunch, a large salad topped with 1 can of tuna or a sandwich. Dinner, a piece of chicken or fish, served with a baked sweet potato. Now for the special items: beef liver. This is potent. You only need this 1 or 2 times per week. An 80 to 100 gram serving is all it takes. Canned tuna. Because of mercury concerns, limit this to 2 or 3 cans per week. Black beans. Start slowly to let your digestive system adapt to the fiber. This isn't a strict diet. It's a strategic addition of key foods to hit your 25-30 gram protein goals at every meal. Now, I must be very clear. This nutrition plan is only half of the equation. You cannot rebuild muscle you do not use. Nutrition provides the building blocks, but resistance exercise is the signal that tells your body where to put those blocks. You must challenge your muscles. Studies show that high-intensity resistance training, 60-85% of your maximum strength, is essential for gaining mass. You should aim for this 3 to 4 times per week. This is safe and effective, even for seniors over 80. Finally, do not neglect the fundamentals. First, sleep. Poor sleep is catastrophic for muscle growth. Just 1 night of bad sleep can reduce muscle protein synthesis by 18 to 19%. You build muscle when you sleep. Second, hydration. Dehydration directly impacts muscle strength and function. For seniors, even mild dehydration can cause muscle weakness, instability, and led directly to falls. Third, balance. You must practice balance exercises. Combining balance training 3 times a week with your strength work can reduce your risk of falling by 23–28%. As always, the information in this video is for educational purposes only. You should consult with your doctor or a medical professional before trying any new health regimen. So let's recap. We are rebuilding our leg strength from the ground up by adding 5 foundational foods: sweet potatoes for energy, canned tuna to fight inflammation, eggs to activate the muscle-building signal, black beans for minerals, beef liver for oxygen and recovery. You have the power to stop feeling weak. It is not just age, it is a condition that you can fight. You are not just getting older, you are getting stronger, starting today. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Senior Evercare channel for more science-backed tips. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods are you going to try adding to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments below.